I'm gonna be announcing my YouTube challenge for the next 1 year. So the date of this year to the next year's this date, I'm gonna be making YouTube videos only in English. No matter how I fumble, how much time I fumble, no matter how many mistakes I make, doesn't matter to me. I will make videos in English only for the next 1 year because I want to improve my English by talking. We all consume so much English by watching stuff, by reading books, but we do not practice enough to talk. Many times it would happen that there is no one with you to talk. To talk in front of camera or talk in front of mirror is the only solution if you want to practice English. I don't care for how many times I have to cut the shorts into different parts, doesn't matter. I know that English is not the measurement of your confidence, of your intelligence, of your smartness, but then also English is very important in this world nowadays. If you want to get a good job, you require English. If you want to lead a good life, there is a requirement of English. We cannot run away from the fact that English is a must these days, because how much we say that English is not the parameter of smartness and intelligence, but then also people prefer the person who has a good command over English. And your English will improve only then when you practice. Only consuming English is not the solution. When you start to talk in English, the words have to come out of your mouth to actually express yourself. I am not doing this for anybody, I am doing this only for myself. And I want you all to take this challenge and try to be fluent in English and try to improve your English, try to learn the new phrases, try to learn the new words, try to actually speak, try to have conversation in English. For me, the person who does not know the language, nothing less than the person who knows the language. Both are equal for me. If you do not know the English, that doesn't mean that you are not smart enough. You are not intelligent enough. You are smart. You are an intelligent person. But in this world, there is a necessity of knowing the English language. I do not know that for the next 1 year, every day, what topics I am going to talk about. For which topic I will make videos. But one thing that I know is that I am going to stand by this challenge of mine. We have to understand one thing, that we all can write, we all can read, we all can listen and understand. But when it comes to speak, we got blank. And that is the thing that I want to overcome. I know that I can very well write, because in writing we can take pauses, we can take time to actually think the word or the phrases. So we can write easily by taking pauses. We can listen and understand by taking pauses. We can read by taking pauses. In reading, if we do not able to understand any word or any phrase, we go to Google and search the thing and find out the solution, and then again come back to reading. But in speaking, when we got blank, there is no solution for that. Imagine that if we speak in front of anybody and we got blank, what one can do? When you take pause, that will not going to work for you. You have to practice, you have to be fluent. Taking pauses while speaking in English will not work. So if you feel like subscribing this channel, please do subscribe.